they are getting money. So this can be done.
I understand your problem. The first time I am here, and you see that I have discussed this issue with the education and give me some time. I am very positive about it, but I don't know how it can be executed. I will take all detailed information from the ministry and decision, and I will try positively.
There were certain issues which we have been following up with the shipping ministry as regards the which have been raised rightly by the Goa Seamen Association, and almost for a year I have been following up the issue, and it was good enough that we could meet with Mr. Dixon and all the representatives of the Goa Seamen Association, Mr. Gadkari today, and he has taken it positively, and he has said that he has directed the officers to put up a note taking into consideration the representation made by the Goa Seamen Association, and he has assured to meet with all members of the Goa Seamen Association, the office bearers of the Goa Seamen Association in Delhi, along with the officials, and to sort out the issue as regards the pension and other issues which have been raised by them. And I am quite confident with Mr. Gadkari at the helm of the affairs, the issue would be resolved, and I am sure that Dixon and all his office bearers must also having the same thing in their mind.
Mr. Gadkari, he listened to us, he saw us demonstrating outside, waiting outside, and he appreciated the efforts put by the Goa Seamen Association of India, because we wrote to him. What he promises that since a lack of time now, he knows there is some problem, he admitted. So he said he will invite us to Delhi with the DG Shipping, with the NUSI and all the secretary, and he assured that he will solve the problem. I gave him the copies of what our demands are, and he said with our member of parliament, Narendra Savegar, he will direct us to go to Delhi, and we'll sit on one table with all the shipping secretaries and the shipping ministry, and we will solve the issue.
Are you happy today?
I see some positiveness. I see that the government of the day is serious in doing something, but our demand is very serious, that NUSI should be under the government of India. This is the most important, because there is financial irregularities and the seamen are not getting benefit. Now it is the first positive meeting, and I see there is something good can come out. आणि हे आयज आम्ही हिंगा आयल्या तर पिसफुली केला, आणि I thank all the seamen, and दुसरे पाटी आमगेल्या by next meeting I hope the problem will be solved, at least something.